Hi guys, you are viewing the channel Smartman. So today we are going to discuss about the spoofing of Pokemon Go. Because we can't play Pokemon Go by usually going outside because COVID-19 is outside. So we can't go outside. So by spoofing we can play Pokemon Go by sitting in our own house. Okay, there are two ways. One is PG Sharp, you are viewing on your screen, and one is Magic Root method. Magic Root method requires root, but P Sharp do not require root. So first of all, you need to download this PG Sharp, and then you should download the latest version of PG Sharp. And then there are two things: standard version and free trade. Free trial 7 days, one phone, auto work, 100 IV codes limit, and supporting limiting codes area. This is compatible with Go Plus. Priority service, all trial features, two phones. But it's a $5 USD monthly. So we will be clicking on free trade. So we can go. But you should remember guys, 1 minute. It will load and then I will tell what you should remember. Okay. Okay. Check out. This will I'll tell later. Now see what to do. First of all, you need to do is please watch my video up to end. Otherwise, you will get so many problems while spoofing. You can see in many videos that they will tell, oh no, this website, that website with inject mods, injection. That is all fake. You can't do with that all websites. The only is PG Sharp and before it is Vmos. You know it, Vmos. And then, see guys, first you should open your Chrome browser. And then, after opening your Chrome browser, type PG Sharp. And then, and then you should have an valid email address. And then there are specific times guys. See, there are specific times to fill up. I will give the times in description and I will tell here. See, now the time is 11. Here it is India, so it is 11/6 October 23 2020. So guys, we should log in at any hour, but the time should be here. It should be 0 or 5, again 0 or 5, any hour 0 or 5 here. This is anything, it could be 1 to 6, anything, but here it should be 0 or 5. Okay, then only you should log in. See, it is 11/7. We have login at 11/5. If you go back in this video and you will see that the time will be 11/5. So I have logged at 11/5. So only sometimes you can log in. If you get that 429 many errors, that means if you log in at the correct time only. But if you get 429 too many requests, then you should refresh your window. And then if you log in at any time, that means not correct time, 11/8. See, if 11/8 you log in, you will be getting out of stock. So if you get out of stock, you can't be. So guys, it is 11/8 here. So first of all, our we will fill our name. Okay. Here again one thing guys, if you log in at any 0 5, I told 5 multiples in any hour, 11:0, 11, 11:5, 11:10, 11:20, 11:15, 11:20, that like. If that time only it will take. Okay guys, that time only it will take. You should give a valid email address, phone number, anything you can give. And if you and it will stay only for 1 minute. If it is 11:06, and then if you click check complete order, it will give you a notification here and out of stock notification. So that's why I have waited for another 5 minutes. Okay guys, see how I have been filling. Okay guys, see, my country is India, so I will be keeping India. Password guys, I can keep any password. You should do very fastly, and this is I have got out. Okay, you have told me to verify mountains, so easy. Verified. See, I have been verified and I have filled all my details. I should wait up to 11:10. See, 11:09 it is up to 11:10. If you do not give any email address, it will tell. Okay. See, it is a user already exists. So wait for 1 minute. Okay, guys, I have come with another email. So see, guys, I am not a robot. This is required. Your password should be confirmed, and then all this. Okay, 0123. This is my email. Okay, can you? Sorry, this is. I have kept my another email that uh, which has the already which has a PShop free trade. So see, we will see the time. Oh no, 11:14. Okay, 11:52, 53, and then we will complete order. Okay, okay, that's complete order. Again it is speaking okay, after this I have already created my account. After this you will get, if you confirm the order, and you will get an verification to your email, and verification to your email, and verification to your email, and you should go to your email, and then you should see we are currently out of it. You did not enter password, right? So guys, okay guys, after verification of your email, you should type your email and your password. That means here you have which password you have entered in the PG Sharp checkout. So I have already entered. So I will be typing my name. Okay, my email. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, I have already registered to this PG Sharp trail. So I will be logging. I have been logged in guys. Select all images with cars is telling now. Okay, okay, okay. I will be logging in. See, I will show you how it will come. See, this is, and if you go to your any phone my services, then you will be getting your trail key and click on it. See, your trail key you should copy it, and you have downloaded the PG Sharp Pokemon Go. I have told you in beginning. After downloading that PShop Pokemon Go, you should open, and you should have a Facebook account or a Pokemon Trainer Club account. After getting that, after you your PTC account, after click on returning player, and then on PTC, then you give your account details, username and password, and then it will ask you activation. If it will ask activation, click OK and copy this license key and paste there. See, you will get a verification email. I will tell you, right. I will show you. Okay guys, you will see confirm your registration. PG Sharp. See, here you should, it will give you a link this like, and you should click on this link and go. If you like this video guys, please subscribe my channel. Please guys, please subscribe my channel and like my channel. Thank you guys. I am aiming for nearly 1000 subscribers. Please guys, please subscribe. And like, if you like these videos, then I will know that I am you are liking my videos, and I will put more amazing videos and see all the videos that I have kept. Okay guys, thank you, thank you, thank you.